Today we're going on a journey through some of the coolest and most complex parts of the human mind. Let's talk about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. It's like the brain's supercharged engine that sometimes struggles to stay in gear. People with ADHD might feel hyperactive, impatient, or easily distracted, kind of like trying to focus while a parade is going on inside the head. But don't worry, understanding this helps us see the unique strengths and challenges everyone has. The spectrum of neurodiversity, we have autism spectrum disorder, which is about how the brain processes the world differently. Imagine the brain as a super complex computer that sometimes sees things through a different lens, like noticing patterns others might miss or experiencing sensory input in a more intense way. Sensory integration disorders and vestibular response deficits can make balance or tactile sensations feel a bit tricky, like walking on a wobbly tightrope or feeling overwhelmed by textures. Did you know that our vestibular balance organs in the inner ear help us stay upright and coordinated? When these low balance heroes aren't working properly, folks might experience gravitational insecurity, kind of like feeling unsure about standing on a moving boat. Some might also experience clumsy coordination or challenges with hand-eye coordination, making catching a ball or writing a bit more of a playful challenge. Our brains have a fantastic toolkit called emotional intelligence and social intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the emotional GPS. You know when you're happy, sad, or frustrated, and can even read how others are feeling. It's like having a built-in emotional radar that guides interactions and helps build strong relationships. When combined with social skills, it's like being a social superhero, able to navigate conversations, recognize cues, both verbal and nonverbal, and connect with others. Communication is not just about talking, it's also about understanding gestures, facial expressions, and even silent signals. Interactive skills are like the secret sauce that makes conversations fun and meaningful, and for some tools like sand tray therapy or sandbox imagery become the playgrounds for expressing feelings and working through emotions, kind of like storytelling in a tiny tactile universe. The prefrontal cortex, the boss of executive functions, it helps with cognitive flexibility, which is the brain's abilities to switch gears smoothly, like changing from a jog to a sprint without losing breath. Memory also plays a strong role. Work memories like the mental sticky notes, holding on to information long enough to get things done. So whether it's bouncing on a tightrope, decoding emotions, or turning the brain's rhythms, remember our minds are marvelous, ever-adapting marvels. By learning how these pieces fit together, we're not only better understand ourselves, but also how to help others shine. Thank you for joining this quick, cheerful tour of the amazing human brain. Keep curious and keep kind.